Hi there folks, Root Beer here with question 14 on the grade 8 Gauss from 2006. In a sequence of numbers, the first term is 500. Each new term is determined by dividing the previous term by 2 and then adding 10. So any sequence where you get a new term from some of the previous terms you've worked out is called recursive. So what they're talking about is a recursive sequence. So 500, and then we'd divide it by 2, 250. We'd add 10 to get 260. That would be the next term. For example, the second term is, 260. Well, they just did an example for me. Fantastic. I should really read the whole question before I start talking about these sorts of things. What is the fourth term in the sequence? Okay. So, this is a sort of a, can we follow the rules? And you know whether or not you're following the rules if you can go from 500 to 260 successfully. So we do 500 divided by 2 plus 10. Well, that's 250. If you need to, grab a calculator. Plus 10, 260. So 260 is the next term in my sequence. Now if I want the term after that, 260 divided by 2 plus 10. 260 divided by 2 is 130. Plus 10 is 140. So 140 is the next term in my sequence. So I want the fourth term, I want this one. 140 divided by 2 plus 10. 140 divided by 2 is 70, plus 10 is 80. Okay? And if you wanted to, you could keep going. We're going to go from 80 over 2 plus 10. That'll be 40 plus 10, 50. 50 over 2 plus 10, 25 plus 10, 35. And we can't really divide 35 by 2. I mean, you can, you'll get decimals, but this is how the sequence is going to go. Now, you don't have to keep going. That was just for fun at the very end, because really what we want is the answer of 80. And we check, is 80 one of the answers? There it is at the end. So we bubble in E. Okay. And we take just a passing glance at question 15, because we're going to handle that in a separate video. I'll see you guys for that next time.